From an early age, Dennis Parrott learned the value of hard work, and more importantly, he was taught to love his country. Raised in a military family, now husband, father, and successful businessman, Dennis Parrott is committed to ensuring that Hardin County is an even better place for the next generation to live, work, and worship. For nearly 25 years, Dennis has run Cecilia Farm Service with a track record of creating jobs and helping the family farmer. As state senator, Dennis Parrott will be a conservative leader for Hardin County that we can trust to watch every dollar like a family carefully watches their spending, because Dennis knows the Hardin County of tomorrow won't be great by growing government, but by growing jobs. Hardin County has an even greater promise yet to be fulfilled. The time for one Hardin County is now. Dennis Parrott for State Senate. Common sense leadership for the Commonwealth.